sit back and let this moment slip away. Cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it. Hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it. I guess I back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gon' do? Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better leave it right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. Hit it, shout it, 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 hit it, shout it. Jeans tight, high heels, this is how you make me feel. Lips gloss, teeth white, apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night, catch a flight. We can do what you like. Feeling right, you smelling good. Let's get this understood. Is there something you're not telling me? Like you're the daughter of Frankie Beverly. It's the way you move, the way you move. I'm a fan of your good secret. She doing freaky stuff. Shouting, got me geeked up. Like Fabo, I got Play-Doh. Let me show you street love. All I really want is you back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. Hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. Although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. original. I should've figured though, all that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. Yeah, and my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be faking it.
The Tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Incolorwig. This wouldn't be my first time working with them. I've definitely worked with them before, and this company really specializes in colored units. So if you're looking for any color unit, I mean any color, orange, red, pink, blue, this color, brown, like they literally have everything on their website. So they are definitely a go-to when it comes to like really fun, colorful units if you don't want to have to do it yourself at home. Today I have a unit that looks very similar to a lot of units that I've been reviewing lately. It's this really beautiful color, but this one is just a little bit different because it's almost like a strawberry orange. It has a little bit of a pinkish reddish tone to it. It's not a true ginger color, and it's not brown either. If I come up close, you guys can definitely see it a little bit better, but maybe this hair down here is more so the true color. But as you guys can see, it's like a strawberry blonde. Have you ever seen strawberry blonde? This is kind of the vibe that it has, but it's very, very beautiful. And like I said, very similar to some of the units that I have reviewed lately. I already know you guys are gonna love this one because you guys love these types of colors on me, and I like them as well because I feel like they definitely complement my skin tone very well, and it gives you guys an opportunity to try something new as well, because had I not tried it out, you guys probably would have looked over it. You know what I mean? Sometimes we need somebody that looks like us to review something to decide whether or not we want to look into it and purchase it for ourselves. This is a 13x4 Jerry Curly unit. I definitely love this color. It's so fun and just like really, really cute. So the first time that I reviewed a unit like this, I think I styled it in like a flip over. I had like a side part, like flip over type of vibe. I've worn it in a middle part, and now I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what this type of unit looks like if you wear it in like a half up, half down. I really do like this color on me and this vibe. I added these cute little like swoop little baby hairs here on the side. I was on the fence about doing the baby hairs because I'm like, it's so close to my skin tone, like I wasn't sure if you would be able to actually see them, but it turned out perfect. And I love the final look. I love the density to this unit. It's very, very full, which I love because sometimes you get units and they're like on the thinner side. So when you have a unit that is nice and full like this, you can definitely appreciate it. I want to say this is a 24-inch unit, but it does look a little bit shorter because of how thick, full, and curly it is. It's like super, super curly, so it's gonna definitely take a little bit of the length away because of the curl pattern. But if I pull the hair, let's see, if I pull it down and see how far it goes. So this is where it hits normally, and then if I pull it, then it goes like to my belly button. So it is pretty long. So as far as the cons with this hair, I don't really have any cons today, you guys. Like normally I usually have at least one thing that I don't like about the unit, but today I like literally everything. I like the color, I like the lace. I will say you can see like my lace here. You can definitely see like a line of demarcation, but that has more to do with the application. Like that's how I put the unit on. It's not necessarily the lace itself. So I will still say that I do like the lace on this unit. And to mask the lace and help it match me a little bit more, I did use my Eden lace tint spray. I have been murdering this can. I'm definitely gonna need to go ahead and get the big size tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet and go ahead and do that because I really do like this product for my lace friends now, and it really, really helps your lace look a lot more natural. And I highly recommend it when you have units like this. You know, even though it is a colorful unit, even if you feel like, oh, it's brown, I would recommend this versus putting foundation on, because I remember when those highlighted units like first came out, I had put foundation on that unit and I did not like it. And I realized the reason why I didn't like it is because the lace was too dark. But this is going to give you a nice even light layer, and it's not gonna like completely cover up the lace. You know what I mean? This literally just tints the lace. It gives it a coating, so it looks a lot better that way. But I highly recommend that you use a lace tint spray to help it blend in a lot better, like how it is here on the side. But let me turn around so you guys can see like how the unit looks from the back. But like this unit is so bomb. Like I love, love, love it. And I like it in this particular hairstyle. I'm definitely gonna wear it like this again because it's too bomb. So let me turn around. This is what it looks like in the back. This is how full it is. Like, hello, so full and fluffy. This is a unit that I reviewed the other day, and it's like one of those middle part closure units. So I reviewed this the other day, and I just want to show you guys the difference because I know some of you guys are probably like, oh, I seen you do that color. It's not the exact same color. This is a chocolate brown color, as you guys can see, and then the unit that I currently have in is like a true like strawberry blonde, like orangey type of color. But yeah, definitely different vibes. So I just wanted to show you guys that, just so you guys can see the difference. So you guys are like, no, I see you in that color. And it's like, actually you haven't. So this is definitely a newer color for me, but similar to a lot of the units that I've tried, because the other units, I feel like they were like a dirty blonde or like almost like an ash blonde type of color. Whereas this one is more of like on the true ginger side. You know, even like as I come in closer, you guys can like really see how beautiful it is. And then once again, like, look how pretty these curls are. I absolutely love it. So yeah, shout out to Incolor for sending over this unit because it is amazing. I love it. Highly recommend it. If you do want to give it a try, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there's something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.